In the fast-paced world we live in, balancing a healthy lifestyle often feels like an insurmountable challenge. Freshware meal prep containers, a 50-pack one-compartment wonder, enters the scene promising to revolutionize your meal prep game. Let's delve into why this product stands out and might be the game-changer you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Time and money saver. With 50 bento boxes at your disposal, each with a generous 24 ounces capacity, you're equipped to conquer the meal prep game. These containers are not just about portion control, they're a strategic ally in your quest to stay full, fit, and healthy. Imagine the time and money saved by streamlining your meal preparation. Healthy meal on the go. Freshware understands the importance of a healthy meal wherever you are. These containers seamlessly transition from meal prep to lunch boxes or a vessel for last night's culinary masterpiece. Recommended for ages 3 and above, they're versatile and ideal for individuals of all ages. Premium quality and design. The durability of meal prep containers often leaves much to be desired. Here's where Freshware shines. These heavy-duty lunch containers are crafted to outlast and outperform competitors. No more concerns about cracks or melting in the microwave. Freshware ensures longevity and reusability. Microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. Freshware meal prep containers boast the highest quality food-safe materials. They endure temperatures from 40°C to plus 120°C 40°F to 250°F. Reheat with confidence, knowing harmful chemicals won't leach into your food. The convenience extends to dishwashers and freezers, making them a kitchen essential. Satisfaction guarantee. Freshware stands by its mission to facilitate healthier eating and cost-effective home cooking. In the unlikely event that these containers don't align with your needs, their satisfaction guarantee ensures a full refund or replacement. Your journey to a healthier lifestyle is backed by a commitment to your satisfaction. Conclusion. Freshware meal prep containers embody the trifecta of convenience, health, and durability. Perfect for adult bento boxes, school or work lunches, meal planning, and leftovers, these containers seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. Say goodbye to the hassle of deli containers or the fragility of glass alternatives. Freshware provides an affordable, stackable, and reusable solution to elevate your meal management. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.